Most learners don't fail because of big mistakes. They fail right here at junctions, too fast, too late, no plan, and suddenly it's a serious fault. Hello there, I'm Rhydian Hughes from Cymru Driving School, and in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you the full system for approaching junctions using the same method examiners expect to see you do on your driving test. And this is so that you can pass your driving test, drive safely on real roads and feel completely in control, especially when you're driving on these kinds of roads here in North Wales. Now, everything in this video follows the principles of the Highway Code. Always drive safely and legally and never rush decisions at junctions, okay? Now, let's imagine this. You're driving through Bala, narrow road, parked cars, limited view ahead. You approach a junction, you don't slow down enough, you check too late, and suddenly you're too fast. Another car appears, you brake sharply. That's a serious fault. So let me simplify this properly for you. Every junction approach follows a system used by professional drivers and expected by the DVSA. That system is the MSPSL, which stands for mirrors, signal, position, speed and look. And inside of that, you're also thinking mirrors, speed, gear, look and decide. Now, let me break it down to you. Mirrors. Before anything else, check your mirrors. Interior mirror, then door mirror. Why? Well, because your actions affect other drivers. This is exactly what the Highway Code expects and exactly what the examiner is marking you on. Signals. If it's needed, signal early. Not at the junction, but on your approach, okay? Your signal should give other road users time to react. Late signals will equate to poor planning. Position. Now, position your car correctly. Left is for the left turns. Center or slightly to the right is for the right turns, okay? Good positioning makes your intention very clear for other road users, but most importantly, it keeps you safe. Speed. Now, this is where most learners get it very wrong. You need to start slowing down early, okay? Not at the junction, but before it. Your speed should allow you to stop if needed or go safely if it's clear. Too fast will equate to no thinking time. Too slow will equate to hesitation, okay? We've got to get that balance right. Now, the gear. Choosing the correct gear early, usually second gear, sometimes first if needed. The goal is simple, be ready, be in control, no rushing at the last second. Look. Now, observation becomes everything. Look right, look left, look ahead, and then look again, especially on rural North Wales roads, where visibility is often restricted. Decide. Now, make a decision. Go, or do you stop? But commit to it safely. Hesitation causes confusion. Confidence comes from a good planning. So, what does MSPSL actually look like in real driving? Well, it means you check your mirrors before slowing down. You signal in good time. You position the car correctly. You control your speed early. You select the right gear. You look properly before moving. That's what the Highway Code expects. That's what the examiner is looking for. Safe, planned, and also controlled. So here's a little story for you now. I had a learner recently in Bangor. Great driver, good control, but at junctions, they rushed the system. So we approached the T-junction. They skipped the proper MSPSL routine. Slowed too late, went in too fast, and had to brake very sharply. If that was on the test, it would have ended up being a fail. So we fixed that one thing by applying the MSPSL properly, especially slowing earlier immediately. Everything changed. More time, better decisions, safer driving. That's the difference, okay? We've got to slow everything down. So remember this, use the MSPSL every time, okay? Mirrors first, signal if needed, position correctly, slow down early, choose the right gear, look properly, decide safely. It all comes down to your awareness, your planning, and also control. Yeah? If this video helped you, make sure you do subscribe to this channel for more driving lessons just like this. We cover real driving situations across North Wales to help you pass your test and drive safely for life. You're not expected to be perfect. Get that out of your head, but you are expected to be safe, okay? So keep practicing, keep improving. Diolch for watching, and I'll see you on the next driving lesson. Go bananas.